Well, the weather forecast called for snow at around 2 in the afternoon today, but it started at 9:30 and it's already starting to pile up here. That's probably new right there. This gave the girls some scrambled quail eggs. I've been giving them the eggs that are frozen or cracked and a few other ones to make it enough for them to have a nice treat. This stump was clear this morning, so I'm gonna go measure that right now. Jen is on her way up here. She should be getting to Monroe, which is about 40 minutes from here. She should be getting there any time. She stopped at the grocery store when she left work at 10 o'clock, and she's stopping at the feed store down in Monroe. So I did contact a few people on the Monroe chicken chatter, and the roads aren't too bad so far coming up here. Our mountain road's a little different because it's been iced over and now it's got a little layer of snow, but one of the neighbors did just come through, and he didn't have chains on or anything, so I think she'll be okay getting up here. I won't have to walk to Highway 2. The girls have come out. They're kind of pecking away at stuff and eating some feed. They scarfed up their eggs really fast. Oh man, Jen just got a hold of me. She came off of Highway 2, started coming down our road and slid a little bit. Said she almost went in the ditch, so I'm heading up there. So I had talked to Jen on Skype and told her the roads were clear, but our mountain roads are not clear. So we do have chains in the car, so as long as she's not in a ditch, should be able to get out. So I got to get there, but it's a 3-mile walk, so she's gonna be sitting for a minute. All right, I made it to the bridge. I got about a mile to go. Okay, enough sightseeing. Better get my butt down there. Well, I've made it through the gumdrop forest, and now I'm into the icicle cliffs. And you don't want to get too close to these because I just saw a bunch of them come down. Okay, back to the wife. So somebody told me that somebody tried to help my wife and got her further stuck, so super. Oh, it wasn't even...
This guy was chaining up, so he's...
Which guy?
This guy.
Oh yeah, he gave me a ride up the road. So yeah, we can slide out of
I was
that.
gonna pick you up, but from the back you looked like somebody else, so I kept going.
All right, so the info I got that Jen was in the ditch, somebody pushed her in there, was wrong. So I think we're okay. We're driving back to the cabin. I was able to just pull out, and our hitch wasn't hooked on that person's bumper. That person shouldn't have been coming down the hill. They slid right over and into our car. But anyway, we're heading back to the cabin now. All right, we made it. Well, we're almost there, but it's right over the horizon. I'm glad we got out of there. We're gonna park this thing and enjoy the snow. It was pretty traumatizing for Jen. is crazy. Not even an hour ago, I cleared that little stump off, that little log to chop wood on, and it's already got, that looks like close to what, 3 inches? 4 inches?
That looks like it.
Man. Yeah, that's like the 3 inches there.
Gosh.
7 inches.
Oh.
Power wire and the cable wire here, they've been collecting a whole bunch of snow on them, and I'm going to try to get it off. I already did this once and knocked all the snow off of them. Ooh,
Oh man, it's getting breezy.
Oh, here we go. Got a little overzealous. Oh. Take 2.
Ooh,
Beauty.
that's how you do it, huh?
Yep. And then as I grab the stick, the wires come down on me. Woo!
Should I hand you groceries while you're out there?
What?
Should I hand you groceries while you're out there?
Oh, yeah, yeah. All right.
That there used to belong to my grandparents. They kept it in their trailer. It's our just in case plan right there.
We're going to be pooping off-grid style. So before Jen came up here, she went to the grocery store right by where she works, and about 10:30 or something, 10 a.m., right around there. And on the news, they've been announcing there's going to be a snowstorm coming down in the lowlands even. And she went there and was telling me they were out of a bunch of stuff already, and people were already, the big lines with tons of stuff in their carts. And
Yeah, there was a lot of people in line. And every check stand was full. The parking lot was so full. It was amazing.
you say some produce was going out of stock, and
The night before,
Oh.
my friend went to the store, and it was even worse. But, you know, they restocked overnight, so it was a little better today, but there was a lot of people there.
so good reminder to be prepared, because this is just a snowstorm. For us, it's a good one because we're getting anywhere from 6 inches to a foot in the lowlands and upper areas, but they don't really know. So
And here, you know, a snowstorm really shuts things down because it's, for one thing, it's not really nice snow. It's usually icy. And we have so many hills here. It's just
Yeah.
crazy. People
not-
just can't get around.
yeah, we're not flat like in flatland like a lot of other people that have channels. This is just hilly, and so yeah. But a good reminder to be prepared, because
I wish I would have went to the store yesterday.
yeah, and we should have had her come up last night before the snow hit.
Yeah.
Anyway, that's it. Thanks a lot for watching.
Bye.
And see ya. Oh man, snow is blowing into the run. Never been wet or snowy in here. The girls aren't gonna like this tomorrow.